Hello there and welcome, as we review the SUNNYFEEL Heavy Duty Camping Directors Chair for you today. This oversized chair features a click-to-lock design that makes setup both effortless and safe. You get a convenient side table with built-in holders for your cold drinks and mobile phone. The double front storage pocket provides plenty of space for your books, keys, and other personal items. Its sturdy steel frame supports up to 300 pounds while using durable and breathable Oxford fabric. This folding chair is easy to carry and fits into small spaces for simple storage and transport. Use this versatile chair for camping, fishing, or backyard parties to enjoy maximum comfort anywhere outdoors. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.